The range of Smeg steam ovens offer a choice of different product types to suit individual needs and cooking styles, and therefore providing healthy, nutritious and flavoursome cooking results. There are 3 oven options to choose from. Steam 1 takes the shape of a regular oven, but provides the option of adding up to 40% humidity into the cooking cavity. This combined style of cooking is excellent for all baked goods as they remain soft and moisture rich inside but benefit from a crisp and golden exterior. Bread, for example, can continue to rise further than it would in a regular fan oven, achieving a beautiful aerated crumb and texture. This method of combining steam and fan oven together is comparable to that of a professional baker's oven. Increased humidity inside of the oven cavity is also ideal for foods breaded with egg and breadcrumbs, as it restores crunchiness to the breadcrumb coat, simulating the result of frying, but using much less fat. Joints of meat produce delicious results from this combined cooking method. The meat remains juicy and succulent whilst caramelised and full of flavour on the outside. Using the addition of moisture is particularly suitable for cooking fish and meat with a high fat content, as steam melts the fat and creates a melt-in-the-mouth result. The 800ml water tank capacity of Steam 1 models allows up to 6 hours of uninterrupted cooking, especially beneficial for the method of slow cooking meats such as pulled pork and beef brisket. The second option of steam generation ovens in the Smeg range is the Steam 100. In addition to the option of selecting up to 40% humidity combined with regular cooking functions, Steam 100 offers up to 100% humidity, allowing you to cook purely using steam only. This pure method of steam cooking creates delicious, nutritious and tasty results with very little steam developing in the kitchen and requires minimal monitoring. It's also a really versatile method. It's not just fish and vegetables that can be cooked using the full steam function, but rice, grains, pulses, casseroles, curries and soups. And not forgetting delicious steamed puddings too. To find out more about the versatility of using the steam only function, check out our video on steam cooking. Find the link in the description of this video. For both the Smeg Steam 1 and Steam 100 system, the water tank is simple and quick to load, allowing you to manually fill to capacity in just a few seconds. The final option of steam generation with the Smeg oven range is the Steam 100 Pro. This combines both features of the previous models mentioned with the benefit of an advanced and precise automatic water loading system and an easy to use intuitive display. To further aid the use of steam functions, this model also offers smart cooking programs. These are automatic programs and just require an input of the food and weight into the control panel. The oven will select the cooking function, humidity level, temperature and time for you, providing perfect results every time. The Steam 100 Pro also includes a sous vide function, providing a delicate, temperature-controlled water bath style of cooking. The advanced fill and hide system allows you to add water to the oven even with the door closed, without interrupting the cooking cycle. This reduces steam wastage and temperature loss, and will save you time, as the only amount of water needed for cooking is loaded. Whichever model you choose, steam really adds another dimension to your cooking results, and will deliver tasty, nutritious food to the table at home. Finally, the features of the Steam 100 Pro are all available in the Smeg OmniChef oven. This appliance not only benefits from steam, but also oven and microwaves too. For more information, please click on the link in the description. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.